Par rapport à l'affaire de Vanessa, je pense que le gouvernement n'a pas assez fait d'efforts afin que cette affaire puisse être résolue parce qu'il est tellement difficile pour une mère de porter son enfant pendant 9 mois et qu'on l'arrache. Donc je pense que le gouvernement devrait mettre plus d'efforts dans cette enquête afin que cette affaire puisse être résolue parce que pour ma part c'est très dangereux pour une femme qui a porté son enfant pendant 9 mois qu'on puisse l'arracher, qu'elle puisse se lever un beau matin et qu'elle ne voit plus son enfant.
I think the government of Cameroon and the individuals like the magistrate should not take the law into their hands. For the fact of the Vanessa's daughter, she should not carry a child for 9 months in her womb and then they steal the child. So if they leave the social line down, the thing is going to continue and you scare more young girls in Cameroon. They would like to put to bed their children in general hospitals. So that case should not be taken lying down. The government of Cameroon should do something about that. Thank you.
Well, as far as a woman is concerned, it is not easy for a woman to give birth to her baby, carry a baby for 9 months and then give birth to the baby. And somebody comes and steals that baby. It's not normal. So I think as far as this Vanessa issue is concerned, the government should start by forcing that magistrate to give that baby so that they will go and do a DNA test and be certain that that baby is not Vanessa's baby because Vanessa believes that that baby is hers. So the magistrate should be forced to give the baby so that a DNA should be conducted and let them know if the baby is hers or not. From there now they will know what to do with Vanessa. The poor girl is suffering in the hospital. Please, the magistrate should give their baby, or please government should do something like the magistrate should give that girl's baby. Please, the government should do something. The government is not doing enough.
Papa, le gouvernement n'a pas assez fait d'efforts. Vu que je crois que si c'était une autorité ou un membre du gouvernement, ils auront fourni plus d'efforts pour retrouver cet enfant. Puisque Vanessa n'est rien dans la société ou qu'elle n'est qu'une élève, on ne fournit pas assez d'efforts. On doit lui remettre son enfant. Elle a le droit de porter son enfant sur ses bras. C'est une mère et on ne peut pas la priver de ses droits. Le fait qu'on la garde à l'hôpital avec des médecins ou des officiers ou des gendarmes, ça ne va pas résoudre la terre. Et je crois que une organisation internationale doit même intervenir pour que la terre soit plus avancée, pour qu'on puisse traiter plus sérieusement cette affaire.
Personally, I don't think the government has done enough concerning this case because it's not easy for a woman to carry her baby for 9 months just to get up one day and find out that the baby is nowhere to be found, and yet the government has done little or nothing about it. So what I think is that the magistrate that is concerned to this case, or the magistrate the girl thinks has her baby, should be taken to the hospital with a baby to make sure that if DNA test is being carried out to be sure that that child is actually this girl's child. Because right now the girl believes that is her baby, and only a DNA test can prove that that child is actually her child. So I think that the DNA test will be the best solution for this case. First of all, I don't think the government has done enough concerning this case. Because it's not easy for a woman to carry a baby for 9 months and get up one day and just to find out that the baby is missing and the government is doing nothing about it. So what I think is that the government should try to take the magistrate, even though she's a magistrate, the government should try to take the case to court and I've made a mistake.